Y aunque tu nombre no me lo sé, igual de ti yo me envicié.
Well, welcome everyone to Wriggles Medical Group virtual event. I'm Betty and I'm going to be your instructor today. So I'm going to do a little bit something different this time. It's the end of the summer, so I wanted to do a bonus outdoors location, whoop whoop, for you folks. So go grab your iPhone or your iPad or what have you. Go and to your backyard, your local park, or out here at CSUN. I'm out here at CSUN in Northridge having a great time. So first thing, what we're going to do is you want to subscribe to this channel. It is free, and you can share it with your family and friends and the comfort of your own home or your backyard or your local park. How cool is that? And please don't forget to hit the little bell icon for instant notification of new videos. I try to get them out every Friday. I really appreciate your support. Also, Regal Medical Group, down in the description below, hit their links for other virtual events like this one. Awesome. All right, now that that's all over, let's start dancing. So the first part of the dance is we're just going to go single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. Okay? From there, we're going to go, it's called a cross step. Okay? So you're going to cross the feet, and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put that all together, okay? So the first thing, we're just gonna freestyle 5, 6, 7, 8. It's single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. And then it's a cross step and back, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. From there, we're going to add a 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can just do the arms or you can do the hips. Okay, awesome. So let's just take it from there. Okay, from here it is single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double. Okay, then it's a cross, cross, back for 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're going for 1, 2, 3, 4. Step and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we're going back 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you got that so far? Then the last one is a machete. It goes forward, side, back, side, and then we're just going to do 4 of these guys. Okay, so let's get the music going and let's start. All right, a little out of my comfort zone, but it's going to be okay. Here we go. All right, you ready? I know I'm ready. Woohoo! All right, so we're just going to step touch. All right, so you can always have your little iPad or phone. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, 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 double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Here's that cross step. It's cross, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's back, back. Okay, you got it? Great. Right. So, and let's add that machete. Okay. So here we go. So it's just step touch for 1. Take it 2, or you can strike a pose. 3, 4. Take it 5. Woo! 6. Take it 7. Oh, okay. It's double. It's single, single, double. Don't add the feet. Single, single, double, single, single, double. Let's add that machete. It's forward, side, back. 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. Side, side, back. 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. That cross step. Right leg is out. Out. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's back for 2, back for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's back. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's around the world. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. How'd you do? All right, let's start it all over. We're almost there. Here we go. You're doing great, by the way. Ooh, it's so nice out today, all right? So just step touch. So 1. Take it 2. Take it 3, 4, 5, 6, and here we go. Single, 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 double. 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 At Smith side. Now you can add the foot here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 2, 3, 4. It's 1. Right leg boxed out or crossed out. It's 1. Cross for 4. 2, 3, 4. Take it back for 2. Back for 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it on the other side. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's back. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. How you doing? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2. Speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it here. Very good. Freestyle. You're looking good, by the way. Woo! And let's do it all over. You ready? 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. Take it back for 2. 2. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1. Get that hip. 2, 3, 4. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. It's step. Step. Take it back for 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1. Machete. 2, 3, 4. 4. 1. We're going to speed it up. 3, 4. Other side is 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2. Let's speed it up. Let's go. Let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's left. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's left. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it here. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back for 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. 2, 3, 4. And shoulders. 2, 3. Let's go to the left. It's cross. Cross. Take it back for 1, 2, 3, 4. It's back. Back. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Machete. 3, 4. Take it 4 for 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! How'd you do? Good? Awesome. Woo! All right. So make sure that you leave me a comment below. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon and subscribe to this channel. So we're going to go through it one more time. So are you ready? Woo! I'm getting a little hot out here. So let's go one more time and let's have a great time. All right. Here we go. Woo! Remember, it's very important to drink water before, during, and after. Here we go. Awesome. So it's just that step touch, okay? Woo. Here we go. We're on location. Woo woo. Seaside, North Ridge, California. So it's just a step touch. All right, I want to see something. Put your little spice in it. So it's a single, single, double. Here we go. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Now it's machete, side, back, side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side, side, back, side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That cross step is cross. Cross. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. To the left. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it. 4, 3, 2, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it. 1. We're gonna speed it up. 2, 3, 4. Right side. Hey. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Hold it here. Catch your breath. Strike a pose. Have fun with this, everybody. Let's bring your hands up in the air like you do care. Woo! And here we go. S. 1, 2. Take it back for 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it left. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back for 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. S. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it. 4, 3, 2. Let's speed it up. Let's go for 1. Woo! You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's left. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right. Ow! 1, 2, 3, 4. It's left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hold. 2. Take it back from 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring that hip in. 2, 3, 4. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it left. Cross. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back for 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4. And shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. A machete. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4. It's left. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! You did it. Awesome. How'd you do? Good. Awesome. Please leave me a comment. Everything is in the description below. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. It is free. Make sure that you hit Regal Medical Group's link for other virtual events. If you want to send me an email, it's abetterbodybybetty@gmail.com. You folks are amazing. I'll see you next month. It's the Halloween month next month. Ooh. So have a wonderful day. Remember, you are beautiful, you are amazing, and let your inner light shine. I'll see you next month. Bye.